In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the added to cart metric in Klaviyo. Whether you're deep into the world of e-commerce or just starting out, keeping track of your customers' behaviors is key to your success. The added to cart metric is particularly important because it provides you with insight into what items your customers are interested in but have not yet purchased. This metric is crucial for refining your marketing strategies and increasing sales by targeting those who are close to making a purchase. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Klaviyo account. If you already have your login credentials handy, this step will be quick and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate over to the sidebar. A quick look around should lead you to the section labeled Metrics. This section is where all your valuable tracking data is stored, and it's also where we'll be setting up your new metric. After you've made your way to the metrics section, you're presented with options. You can either create a custom metric or search for existing ones related to the term added to cart. The decision depends on your specific needs and whether your e-commerce platform has pre-configured options available. If your e-commerce platform is already integrated with Klaviyo, such as Shopify or WooCommerce, you might be in luck. Klaviyo often auto-tracks this event for you, saving you the extra effort of setting it up from scratch. Now let's personalize your metric with a distinctive name. Enter your chosen conversion metric name in this section. Typically, titles such as added to cart or placed order are popular choices. Giving it a clear and specific name ensures you can easily identify and differentiate it from other metrics. If you need to hone in on specific data, you have the option to define and add filters at this point. Filters allow for a more granular view of your data set, making it easier to pinpoint exactly what information you find most valuable. For instance, you might want to filter results based on the cart's total value or by the products themselves. Finally, after configuring your settings and filters, if any, it's time to complete the process by clicking Create Metric. A quick click and your new metric is ready to start gathering invaluable information. And there you have it, a complete setup of the added to cart metric in Klaviyo. This metric will now begin capturing insights that will help you tailor your marketing efforts and bolster your sales strategy. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're one step closer to mastering your data analytics in Klaviyo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.